Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wire up this unit here. Of course, this is an LHQM exit sign. Um, and normally I want to take down the old combo, which is right there. And normally the lights will come on if I take it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this old sign down. Which I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take off the piece. Alright, now I have the wire nuts and the wires. Of course, I have the red, no, the white, no, the black wire, of course. I think this one right here will be the common wire. And I think the red wire should be with the white wire. So, to be really cool, I have wire nuts. Now what I'm going to do is I'll take off the faceplate. It could be a pain. It's gonna be a pain in the butt if I do it with one hand. Just pain in the butt if I do it with one hand. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'll push in the wires here. Of course, the black will be common, which is the 120 VAC. Which I'm gonna do is I'll put the black wire through the hole, which is here. See what I'm doing? I'm putting the black wire to the hole. But we're not going to do that yet. I have to put in the wires up first. So the black wire has to go with the black right here. And of course the white, the positive wire will be like the red wire here. I'll get everything set up. I'll put the camera down. I know it's so bad. I know. Alright, now what I'm going to do, let's begin wiring. So, of course, the black wire has to go first. So what I'm going to do, just tighten the... Good, I just dropped the computer. That's freaking great. Alright, and now our next one, I'll put the wire nut inside of it. Actually, alright, of course, the wire nut should be first. Alright, and then I'm gonna push the wire through it. Of course, the wires, the black wire should be pushed in the hole right there, and boom. You see how it's in? It's in here. And then you gotta put, yeah, just make sure it's pushed in. And then next, what I'm gonna do, in order to get it working, is wiring. Okay? And then now our next one. Oh, it's not good. Alright. And now what I'm going to do is just tighten the wire nut inside of it. You make sure that the wire has to be very, very tight, so the wire nut would not be loose. Okay? And then the wire, the orange wire, would be the 277 VAC wire. Of course, that will be the ground wire for it. Now what I'm going to do is I'll tuck in the wires. Make sure it has to be tucked into the hole. Alright. And now what I'm going to do, make sure to plug these things in. Alright, and here's our next one. Oh great, the wire just fell off of it. I do not accept the wires falling off of it. Alright, now what I'm gonna do, put another wire here. Make sure you tighten the wire. Of course, I like to wire that up. And you make sure while the power is on, do not get electrocuted, because like normally it's gonna be bad and then you could die, and then of course the wire just fell off of it. That's great. Let me just fix this. I know how to fix it step by step. There we go. Make sure I have to get this correctly. What the heck is going out here? Alright, and then I'm going to tighten the screw as well. So, I'll make sure I'll tighten this in. See how the wire looks like this? So once again, the white wire is like the positive wire, the black wire is neutral. You have to make sure that the battery's plugged in. We make sure that the wire nuts are connected. We make sure the lights are connected, transformer's working, and then you're done. And now what I'm going to do is I'll take off the arrow piece right in front of it. See? And make sure that the arrow has to be pointing to the left, because like normally it's where the exit sign has to point to the exit door. Okay. Boom. Oh yeah. It's not tucked in. There we go. Alright, great. And then I'm gonna pop this thing in. Still not doing anything. That's great. So weird, like, you cannot push the wire things in. Alright, did I forget one more thing? Did I just put, oh, I have the arrow cap, shoot. Alright, let's put it inside. Boom. Make sure it has to stay in. Alright, now since that the wires are now normally in, I'll go ahead and connect the exit sign to its own thing, and then see how it works. Put it right here, and then make sure that the arrow points to the exit door, and now get the plugger right back in. You're gonna see how this thing lights up. Get ready for it. Alright guys, so as you can see, I just set up the exit sign. And as you can see, the exit sign now finally works. And I have the arrow future, which is actually pointing to the exit door. Because, like, in case of an emergency, normally, in case of an emergency, they should exit right through this door right here. But what's the wrong direction? Is the arrow light pointing here to the window. You know, that's never an exit. The exit has to be actually pointed to the exit door. And now we'll give this thing a test to see how it's working. Now, of course, this is big. See that? All the lights are on and they're working fine, and yeah. Of course, that exit sign is connected to this one, and that cord right next to it is this sign, and the other one on top. So yeah, they work. So normally, thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment and subscribe, and you guys have a great day. Alright?